material MN02, enter material is this, press enter key. In the quality management view, I have activated inspection type 01 for this material. Detail of my inspection plan also, QP02, enter. Material is this, plant is this, press enter key. Created two different operations with the control key QM02 so that I can print the physical samples also. And in the header level, I have used usage as 5 and inspection point 200 is assigned, which is for the inspection points for the sample, and the sample point procedure, which is assigned, is primary sample. I have kept my size factor 1, fixed number is 1, container detail is coming. I haven't maintained the pooled sample or the reserved sample for this. Let me go back. Let me make it say operation 2 for the inspection. In the first operation, I have maintained 3 MIC with the sampling procedure having the inspection point for the physical sample. So sample management option is selected, and in all the sampling procedure which are assigned in the second operation, I have assigned only one MIC with the sampling procedure having the sample management. Let me save this. Create a purchase order using ME21N so that I can trigger my lot for the inspection type 01. Press enter key. Supplier is this. Header level information I am entering. Material is this. Quantity I can enter say 10 and the plant is this. Storage location is this. Press enter key. Check it once. Okay, only warnings are there. Save it. So my purchase document number is created, and let me create one more purchase order, which I will be using later. So I'm just entering the required information for this. Quantity I can enter 50. Click on check once and then save it. So now I have created two purchase order, and let's do the MIGO for one. /n MIGO. Press enter key, put receipts against the purchase order, and this is the number. Let me keep it say 40. Press enter key, click on item OK. Check it once. Okay, the batch number is created. Let me create my own batch number so I can keep it say B3. Press enter key and then click on save. My lot will get triggered. /n QA32. Press enter key. Click on execute. The log for 01 which is created with the quantity 10 and it is in the release date. And if we click on results, we have assigned two operations. In the first operation, I have assigned 3 MICs, whereas in the second operation, I have assigned 2 MICs. Normally, we use QE51N transaction to do the result recording for the lots which has a inspection point. So QE51N, enter. I can simply execute it. Sample number which is generated for this operation 10 and this is operation 20. Again, the sample which is generated is with the same number. Suppose if I want to create a different sample number for operation 10 and different sample number for operation 20. For first operation, the different sample number should be generated, and for the second operation, a different sample number should be generated. The sample drawing procedure /O QPV2, press enter key. Sample drawing procedure which I am using, select this, go to the sample drawing item. In the primary sample, the size factor was 1 with the fixed number as 1, and pooled and reserved are not maintained for it. Let me go back. Select this and click on copy as. In this field, to partial sample number as 2. And press enter key and we have one more entry. So select this and double click on it. For the first one, which I'm entering as partial sample number 1. Press enter key and let's go back. So now under that same sample drawing procedure, I have two entries, one with the partial sample number 1 and another with the partial sample number 2. Save it. Let's assign this sample drawing procedure, which we have changed to the inspection plan. Go to QP02, press enter key. The material is this, plant is this, press enter key. The header level information, and here I can assign the new sample drawing procedure, which we have just now modified. So now under the sample drawing procedure, I have two entries for the partial sample. Let's go back. And in the operation, select the first operation and go to the inspection characteristics. Here for the characteristics, on the right side, here you will find this field partial sample. Enter the value as 1, partial sample number 1, to be generated for the first operation. And let me go back, and for the second one, again you will go to the inspection characteristics and I want the partial sample number 2 to be generated. Only the sample number will be different for both the operations which we have maintained. Click on check for the consistency. So it is just a warning and the information. We can check what is the warning, or that's okay. This is a warning. Okay, I'm using the same MIC in both the operations. That's okay. Let's go back and then save it. Let's do the MIGO for the second purchase order, which we have created already. So go for MIGO, and this is my purchase order number. Press enter key. Click on item OK with the quantity 50, and then check it once. Batch number, I can change it to say B-4 and then click on save. 32 report, refresh it. So now the lot has been triggered with the quantity 50. Of course, here we can't see the inspection points. Again, if you check in your QE51 end transaction, click on refresh. So this is the second lot 1205, which is created. These are the two operations. And the number is 16 for the first sample, and for the second sample, it is 17 in this case. The sample number which are generated are two different numbers which are generated for the different operations. And of course, do the result recording and the usage decision for these MICs.